In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert a logo into CapCut. Now, it's real easy to do compared to the mobile version. It's very easy to do it on there as well, but this is a little easier to do because you have multiple ways to do it. With the app, you have to do overlays, which is also very simplistic. But for here and this example, what we're going to do is there's two ways to do this. You can import like you normally would if it was a video or anything like that into your media window here, or what you can do is a click and drag function. So what I'm going to do is I have my logo here, and I'm just going to click and drag and drop this into the media section here. So you see that we have our logo here, and to drag it onto your timeline, you're just going to want to click and drag and just drop it onto your timeline. Very simple like that. And if you want to have it for the entire length of your video, what you can do is come over here to where your cursor changes and just click and hold and drag it all the way over, and there you have it. It's a very simple way to do this. Once you have this selected, you have a lot of options to transform the actual logo that you dropped in, but that is up to your discretion, and that is how you would go about dropping your logo into your video. And now you can see if I play this back, it's just going to be in every single part of the video. So I hope you guys liked the video, and we'll see you next time.